Yo, where are you going? Alright, yo. Alright. Hey everybody, I'm here with Blue Bouncy Ball for my 1-year channel anniversary. Kinda missed it. It was on the 9th of June. Anyways, this is Blue Bouncy Ball. He does cool animations, very popular guy. Very Sigma guy. And today we're playing, what's it called? Grand Theft Animals. Grand Theft Animals, yo. Woo! But, oh yeah. Come here, boy!
Hey!
Yo, get a bat, get a bat, get a bat.
I don't like this movement. I really don't like it.
I really need to turn you up. Here we go. Speak.
Like, I really don't like
There
this
we go.
movement.
My bad. We can rent a room to hide from the cops. Bet. Drive a car. You can rent or buy. How about steal? And buy new outfits. Alright, let's go beat up some civilians!
Oh, yeah.
What's this guy's name? Herb Consumer? Bop! Bop! Oh shit, it's the cops! Oh, it's the pigs! He's coming for you! He's tasing you! Oh, wait, can I beat him up? Come here! Come here, goober! Bop! Oh, I got locked up!
Busted!
I put my hands behind my back.
Hi, Squidward.
How'd you get up?
Stop.
Alright, let me grab my cactus bat.
Goby.
You suck, yo. I'm about to steal that.
What the
Ooh,
freak
ooh, ooh. Alright. Let's go. Can we beat up a cop? Wait, what if we tag team a cop? You wanna try it? Let's go tag team a cop. Come here, boy! Bow! Bow! Oh!
I'm being chased.
Oh! Hey, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. You go after him. Oh! Money! Money! I have an idea. Is it in the trunk or something? Can also deliver pizzas faster now. Give me that pizza.
Pizza!
Give me that pizza.
Pizza!
Okay. You're getting arrested, but I'm over here delivering pizzas, yo. Oh, back up. Is that him? Oh yeah, take your pizza. I literally gave it to him, and now they say no. Where are you at, Blue? Gotta wait until these pigs leave so I can get it to a herb guy. Hey man, herb dealer, give me a herb. Yes, good. To wait until the herb guy gets free.
Don't get an RG badge.
Then
RG badge.
run. No, there was a cop behind me. That's bull.
Busted!
Man, I suck at this game. Okay, we need to figure out a better way to make money. What else is around in the city? I wonder what an inside of a house looks like. This one right down the corner. Cart and deliver some pizzas. Well then get one by delivering like 5 pizzas. It's not that hard. Oh my gosh. Wait, what happens if I hit somebody? What happens if I run somebody over with the car? my gosh! They're after me! Alright, here we go! See ya, sucker! You made it this far, the secret word is pizza. Comment that down below to make sure everybody knows you watched it all the way through. Have a good one.